Good morning, children. So today we will start with the new chapter. Okay, that is chapter number 8, skeletal system. Children, what is meant by skeletal system? It is the framework of bones. Okay, framework of bones. So in human beings, how many bones are there in the whole body? For an adult human being, there are near about, that means about 206 bones. Okay, but in children it will be more than 350. Okay, more than 350 children. How then this 350 reduced to 206 when he become adult? That time these bones will be fused together. Okay, fused together, and then when he grows up, then that will be reduced. Okay, this way. So understood what is a skeletal system? Skeletal system, it is the framework of bones. Okay, and as we all know that what our body is made up of cells, right? Body is made up of cells. What are cells? They are the structural and functional unit. Okay, structural and functional unit of all living organisms, that is cells. If number of cells, that means the group of cells together form what? Tissue. Okay, and then the group of tissue join together form what? Organs, right? Then group of organs form system, and group of systems form body. Okay, body. Understood how the body made up of? From the cell. Cells, the group of cells together form the tissue, and the group of tissue together form organs. Group of organs together form systems. Then group of system together form our body. Understood this one? Now I will explain the skeletal system. What are? If you are saying about the organ system, okay, this number of organ systems are there in our human body. Okay, if for example, if we are saying about the organ lungs, then which system is there? That is lungs. Then respiratory system, right? Respiratory system. Then in the way, if you are saying about our brain, okay, our brain, then which one? Brain, it is nervous system. Then if we are saying about our heart, that's an organ. Here which system is there? Heart, it actually circulates the blood, right? So circulatory system. And if we are saying about the bones, then they comes under which one? Skeletal system. And about the stomach, if you are saying about the stomach, then which system? Digestive system. Then if you are saying about muscles, then which one? Muscular system. Understood? So number of systems we are having. Understood this one? Now the skeletal system. Our human skeletal system, it is made up of 206 bones, I said, and that contains mainly 4 parts. Okay, 4 parts. The first one, it is skull. Skull. Then second one, you can say this one, what? Rib cage. And the third one, backbone. And the fourth one, that is ribs. Okay, limbs we can say. Number of limbs as well. Plus along with this, some girdle also. Girdles. Okay, girdles. Here if I am saying about the skull. Skull, here actually children, it protect our brain, right? It protects the brain. And here this skull contain, here in the front portion, this head, give the shape of the head by the 8 bones. Okay, 8 flat bone. 8 flat bone, they interlocked and gives the shape of the head. And then plus here in the front face, our face consists of 14 bones. Okay, 14 bones in the face itself. Here face, it is on the head. Okay, then here having the lower jaw and the upper jaw. If we are saying this is the lower jaw, upper jaw it is joined with this, right? So it is immovable. But the lower jaw, if I am saying, if I am speaking to you, it is moving, right? Up and down. So this is the movable bone. Okay, movable bone present in the skull, that is lower jaw bone. Clear? This one understood about the skull? Here and here, see, this is, see children, this is the human skeletal system, right? And here, see, this is the skull. And here, this is the head. Here, head itself, 8 flat bone. And here, face, 14 bones. And here, some holes are there for the eyes as well as for the nose. Okay, the holes are present here for eyes and nose. Understood? So now the next one is, see, if we are saying about the rib cage. Okay, here the rib cage. Rib cage, children, rib and cage. Okay, so ribs means they are the thin and flat bones, and thin and curved bones. Okay, they are the thin and curved bones, and it forms like a cage of bones. Okay, that only rib cage. So inside the rib cage, what are there? Lungs and heart. So lungs and heart, it protect the lungs and our heart. And here children, this in the rib cage itself, the front side, okay, front side, that ribs from the back side, it is originating from the back side. Okay, from the back side, it is connected with the backbone, and it is joined in front side, that is with the, what we can say, sternum. Okay, sternum, it is with the chest in front. That portion is the sternum. Clear? Sternum in front and back side, it is joined with the backbone. So it is in the form of a cage, and which protect what? Our lungs and heart. Okay, and here it is actually made up of 12 pairs. Okay, they are made up of 12 pairs of bones. Clear? It is 12 pairs only. Clear? And now the next one is backbone. Backbone, we can say that it is otherwise known as vertebral column. What? Vertebral column. See, here in the backbone, there are 33 small bones. Okay, how many? 33 small bones. They are known as vertebrae. What? Vertebrae. Okay, it protect our spinal cord. Along with the backbone, one thin cord also goes. That is the spinal cord. So it protect our spinal cord. Okay, that is what backbone. Understood? Backbone. And here you can see children, in the rib cage itself, if I am saying about the rib cage, there are actually 12 pairs, right? In that last 2 pairs, they are not joined with the back side, it is joined, but in front it is not joined. Such bones are known as what? Floating ribs. What it is? Floating ribs. I will show you. See, this is the rib cage. Okay, this is the rib cage. Here you can see it forms in a curved form, right? curved form, and from the back side, this is what the front one is going. It is back side, it is the backbone, right? And the front, it is joined from back, it is backbone, and front with the sternum. And last two pairs, you can see here, this one and this one. The last two, they are not joined. So they are freely floating. So they are known as the floating ribs. Okay. And here you see backbone. Here along with the backbone, the small bones, number of small bones are there, right? They are known as vertebrae. Okay. And here each bone joined with a small circular disc also. Okay. That one. And here along with this one cord goes. That is the spinal cord. It connected with the here in the skull backside with our head only. Okay. And that is a very important organ. Some people see if they have any problem here with this spinal cord, then they can't bend properly. Okay. Clear? Understood this one? Now the next one is what? Limbs. Okay. The next one is the limbs. Limbs, if we are saying, there are two pairs of limbs. Okay. Two pairs. First pair, okay, first pair, they are known as forelimbs. What? They are the forelimbs. The forelimbs, that means front side. Okay. So front side means it is what? Our hands. Hands are the forelimbs. That we can say hands or we can say arm. Okay. That is forelimbs. And then second pair, that one, they are the hind limbs. Hind limbs, they are known as legs. They are our legs. Okay. Understood now both the limbs, forelimb and hind limbs. And now see children, here again one more thing I told you, that is the girdle, right? Girdle also two are there. One is the pectoral girdle and another one is the pelvic girdle. Pelvic. This pectoral girdle means our this four limbs, right? Four limbs here there in the arm also, if we are saying, see, this is the our arm. Here it is, see, shoulder, right? Here this is the upper arm. It is the upper arm, and here it is joined. Here only single bone you can see. Okay, only single bone. And here when it comes here, it is the elbow, our elbow. Then from elbow to the wrist, there are actually two. Okay, there will be two bones comes like this. There is a gap also and two. Then they joined here, and then from here our fingers. Okay, fingers. So this one upper arm, and this is the lower arm. And the upper arm, single bone, that is joined with the shoulder. Here that girdle is present. That is known as the pectoral girdle. Okay, pectoral girdle. And in the same way, here with the legs. Okay, that is pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle, it is with the leg itself. Legs is the, which one, see children? That also be the same way, right? Here it is connected with the hip. Okay, our hip. So that is with the pelvic girdle. Which one? Pelvic girdle. And from here again, what comes? Knee, our knees. Okay. Then from here again, two more bones comes. That is the our lower leg. Then joined with our foot. Okay, this is our foot. So clear? This is the leg and that is the hand. So it is the forelimb and this is the hind limb. Okay, so both of this understood. This is the our human skeletal system. So in our human skeletal system, what are the parts parts present in the human skeletal system? First one, skull, then it protects the brain. Then second one, if you are saying spinal cord, that is the backbone. Okay, spinal cord, that it protect the backbone, protect our spinal cord. Then third one, rib cage protect our heart and lungs. Then last one is the limbs. Okay, clear children? I hope you all understood this one very well. Okay children, thank you, have a nice day.